34th anniversary of the Hawal massacre passes with the victims of the Indian barbarism still awaiting justice. On May 21, 1990, Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq's tragic martyrdom shook the region, triggering an outpouring of grief as thousands gathered in Srinagar's Hawal area for his funeral. The occasion turned into a nightmare as the Indian security forces unleashed gunfire on the procession, leaving 72 Kashmiris dead and over 200 injured. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has warned that Narendra Modi will launch an attack on Azad Kashmir within 6 months if re-elected as the Prime Minister of India. In an exclusive media interview, Abdullah stated that he expects no relief for the people of occupied Kashmir if the Bharatiya Janata Party comes back to power in India. Congress leader Taranjeet Singh Tony led a protest demonstration in the Jammu against the power shortage and steep hikes in the electricity bills that are burdening the farmers in the region. The protesters gathered in front of the office of the subdivisional magistrate and raised slogans demanding a proper electricity supply. Martyrdom anniversaries of Shaheed Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and Shaheed Abdul Ghani Lone were marked with a large protest rally by Pasban-e-Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir Muzaffarabad Azad Kashmir, raising slogans in favor of the freedom and paying homage. A large number of the people from all walks of the life participated in the rally, with the participants carrying the banners displaying the images of the martyrs. Azad Kashmir chapter of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Cell jointly organized a seminar at the Kashmir House, Islamabad, to pay homage to the prominent Kashmiri martyred leaders Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone, and martyrs of the Hawal on their martyrdom anniversaries today. Speakers at the seminar paid homage to Mirwais Maulvi Farooq and Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lone as heroes of the Kashmiri people.